Hi, I'm Dr. Osborn, board-certified neurosurgeon, and today we're going to talk briefly about female training principles and give you ladies out there some insights on what works best when it comes to achieving great results. When it comes to strength training and powerlifting, the fundamental principles remain the same for both males and females. We're talking about those classic compound exercises like squats, bench press, deadlifts, overhead press, and a chin-up or pull-up. These are the foundation of any solid strength training program, regardless of gender. And I know what you're thinking, I'm going to bulk up if I do these. That's a myth. Unless you are on performance-enhancing drugs, and I hope you're not, there is zero chance that you'll attain a Hulk-like physique by doing these exercises. That said, you will become shapelier and shed some of that unwanted body fat by performing these compound movements. They are far better for your bone density than machine-based movements, as you stand for most of them and bear weight on your skeletal system. This increases bone density, tempers bone loss, and potentially prevents you from developing osteoporosis in later years. As I always tell female patients, you break a hip, you're dead. Just check the statistics. The mortality rate in those who experience osteoporotic hip fractures is extraordinarily high. So don't forget about these foundational exercises that have made women and men strong for eons. Again, there are no gender-specific exercises. We're no different than you ladies when it comes to strength training. No different. I can think of only one thing that you may have to do differently, which relates to your menstrual cycle. Just watch the volume and intensity if you tend to bleed a lot during your menses, as you may become more easily fatigued than usual and inadvertently overdo it. If anything, I would back off during your cycle's first couple of days and use them as scheduled rest. Take a brisk 45-minute walk while carrying 5-pound dumbbells on those days, for example. And remember, most of us are overtrained to begin with, and we're unaware of it. I always tell people to schedule time off from training, or in this case, let nature schedule it for you. Likely, you'll be stronger when you return to training. So, keep pushing, ladies. I love seeing you in the gym and on the platform at powerlifting competitions. And remember, strong is sexy. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise.